welcome back to my channel. Today is another vlog coming your way because I have quite an eventful day and I thought let me take you guys with me so you guys can kind of see what I've been doing. I did one of these like a day in my life so long ago. I'll put the screen grab here so you can see. I haven't done it in ages and you guys have been asking for it, so here it is. This morning I quickly went to go train with Training Science and Marco. It was pretty intense and then I got ready, just finished filming a video. So my space is a bit of a mess right now, but it's okay. I'm off to a Revlon event now and then later we have Maybelline. So come and enjoy it with me. There we are here.
Hey guys, how's it going? I've got my fur somewhere, but it's okay.
Your what? Your fur?
My fur,
You can have some of my fur. Thank you. The Revlon event. I'm just gonna find some place to sit down and work a little bit on my laptop because I have some admin and stuff to do. So this place that I worked at closes at 5 and the event is only at 6, so I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the time. Maybe just sit in the car and chill. I don't know.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't tryna grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't tryna link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record,
It's my base.
for the record,
Who says no when you can get free tattoos?
for the record.
Pretty expensive.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost.
Sige flash. Ag dankie, jy red my lewe. Maar nou wil hy nie fokus nie. Laat ek hom net eers stop. Ek het nou net rekord en hy wil nie. Seriously? That's right. Happy birthday.
wil ons met een foto laat fokus. Kom fokus! Hallo.
As hy. Finally.
Ons is 5 ure om hierdie ding te fokus.
That is basically what a day in the life of an influencer is like. Obviously, there are only some days that are this glamorous. Others aren't always that great. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. And until my next video, you must stay sweet. I'll talk to you soon.